Oh my gosh, it's raining.
Come on, Eli, wake up.
Good morning, Lola.
So, how did you sleep this night?
I slept well. Don't forget that the girls have homeschool.
Okay, I'm gonna go wake them up.
I'm gonna cook some breakfast.
Good idea. Come on, girls, wake up.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, girls. So, how did you sleep this night?
We slept well.
Okay, girls, come on, get ready. Your dad is making breakfast downstairs. I adore Daddy's food. Who doesn't? Now, come on, he's waiting for you downstairs.
I really love cooking, but I wonder when the girls come to eat. Don't forget the hot cocoa.
I adore that. I really love hot cocoa. Let's start eating it. It was delicious. Let's say thank you for Daddy. Thank you for the food, Daddy.
You're welcome.
So, family, Melissa must be here any minute now.
I guess she's here.
Well, then I'm gonna go open the door. Hi, Melissa. We were just talking about you. Oh, hi, Lola. Are the girls looking forward to study? Yes, they are. Let me call them. Zaika, Simka, Melissa is here.
Hi, Melissa.
Hi, girls. So, Melissa, me and Eli are leaving for the bowl. Come on, Eli. We're leaving.
Bye, guys.
So, girls, with which subject do you want to start off? I want to start off with mathematics, ma'am. Okay, then get your notebooks. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to smash that like button. Or if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. Hope you have a good day, guys. Bye!